In today's video, we are going to show you how to add the Martingale strategy on Deriv Bot. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials. Inside the dashboard, hover on the left side and click the options and then select Deriv Bot. Basically, this is Deriv's automated trading platform where you can create strategies without coding. Now, choose the market that you want to trade. For example, you can choose volatility indices, jump indices, forex, crash and boom. It's up to you. You go to the trade parameters and you can use all of these tools like trade options, multiplier, take profit. And then the most important part, you need to look for the option called Martingale. How can you find it? Just go to the quick strategy. And then, boom, you have the Martingale here. All I have to do is turn it on right here. And then after enabling Martingale, you'll see additional settings. You can see the asset, like for example, you can choose from volatility 100, 75, and you need to put in the initial stake. For example, 69. You will see the growth rate. If you want to go until 5%, you can do that. But if you wanted to try it low, you can do that as well. And the profit threshold, let's say this, loss, let's say this, and sell conditions to take profit into. For as long as you put the correct value here, all I have to do is run. Click the continue button, and what will happen is, just like that, you have successfully added a Martingale on Deriv Bot. Remember, Martingale is risky because a long losing streak can increase your stake size very quickly and potentially wipe out your account balance. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.